guys, what's up? Today we're reviewing something very exciting. We've got the face care products of BT21 X midi heel. We got all of them. We got Tata,
Shuki,
Cookie, Mang,
Jimmy,
and Koya.
and RJ.
I think this one is RM's, right? This one is J-Hope. This one is Jungkook.
Yep. Jimmy is Jimin.
Jimin.
So that's Sugar.
Yeah.
And this is V.
I know RJ is Jin because he wore this shirt all the time in BTS. Okay, and we also have the BTS X midi heel face care packs. Really amazing. We got
A whole bunch of them.
4 different ones. There are 4 different ones.
This one, the black one. So this is all for different skin types, depending on which skin type you have. Oily, dry skin, or...
Yeah. This is for dry skin.
This one's for dull skin, the black one.
This one is for oily skin or sensitive skin.
That's for me, basically. I
Yeah.
have quite oily skin.
Yeah, I think I have pretty dry skin. So this one would be perfect. So first of all, I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram. So one of you can win this exact pack right here. And also another winner will be winning the BTS book, The Most Beautiful Moment in Life, the Notes 1 in English. So all you have to do is go to this picture right here on my Instagram account and follow the rules, and yeah, that's it. Also a quick reminder, don't forget to tag your pictures on Instagram with Jotatos to be featured as the winning picture in my next video. Okay, I'd say let's start with the BT21 stuff, right?
Yep.
Choose one of them.
Okay.
I know it's hard. Make the right decision.
On the blind pick. Okay, shuffle it. This is a cookie one. It's actually my favorite.
Okay.
But is this for my skin type?
I don't know. Are they for different skin types or?
They have different effects, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, it's all written in Korean here.
Okay, I'll insert the purposes for all the other masks right here. So now I have to pick mine.
Do you want to go random, or should I just... Do you want to have the most fitting for your skin type?
Let's do it random first and then we will see if it fits my skin type, alright?
Okay, pick one.
Pick this one. Oh, it's Mang! I think Mang is actually visually my favorite character.
You got a phone case, right?
Yeah, I got his phone case. He's so cute. Okay, what's the purpose?
For your skin rhythm against irritation. For skin irritation.
Okay,
And
that's good.
also for more vitality. I love the packaging.
Yeah, it's
so
really
cute.
colorful, right?
Yeah.
So we have 4 different masks. Ooh. Really nice. I thought it was only one, right? Oh, super cute.
Was there like a bookmark?
Yeah, it looks like a bookmark. I will use it as one. And oh, that's really nice.
What's that?
Look at this. You can color it.
The full experience here. And
Oh, I love the look on his face.
yep. Those are like sheet masks, right?
No, they're face point
looks like
masks.
stickers.
Yeah, like stickers.
So the instructions and everything is all written in Korean, actually.
Korean, yeah.
But I think it's quite
Yeah.
self-explanatory. You just have to look
At the numbers.
at the numbers,
It
right?
says 5 to 10, so
5 to 10,
5 to 10
then you know,
minutes.
5 to 10 minutes.
Just leave it 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah, same with instant noodles.
Right.
How much are those actually?
€9.16 right now. It's alright. I think it's normal for cheap masks, right?
That's alright, yeah.
Ooh,
Ooh,
how cute!
that's cute.
Wow.
Look at this.
Oh.
Where should I put them?
I think you should put them anywhere you have like dry areas or something. I think so. Okay, this one right on my nose. I have a mirror here in case you need it.
I'll use the camera.
Oh my god. Okay, what can I do with his tail?
This one's going on my nose.
So cute. He's dancing a little. Put him on my cheek. Underneath my eyes because my eye area tends to be a little dry, so maybe it will help. Mung with headphones right on my T-zone.
Feels good. Feels actually quite nice, right?
Yeah, it does. I think the color matches my outfit, right?
Does. This one's upside down. Supposed
what?
to be?
Yeah, I know. It's supposed to be like that. He's making a headstand.
That's for my chin. I think I like this a lot more than sheet masks.
Yeah, somehow it's a lot more comfortable to wear.
Yeah.
I love it. Look at this.
Maybe I should.
I'm done.
Nice.
Nice, right?
There we go.
But still, I'm a bit afraid to move my face with every sheet mask.
We leave it on for how long?
For 5 to 10 minutes, I think,
5
right?
to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Ah, right.
We should go grocery shopping now. Actually, there are a lot of free spaces left.
Yeah.
Let's do some more. Yeah, fill the holes.
Fill the holes. All right.
Which ones?
I want Tata. All yours, you do mine.
Which one is best for me? Like color-wise? Maybe Chimmy.
Chimmy, yes.
I think so.
I'll go with Chimmy.
Okay, we have to switch.
Look at those. It's so cute.
Wow.
This one's going up.
Put it right under your eye.
Oh, this one's cute.
Ooh.
This one's really cute.
Oh, yeah.
I want this one.
We can't laugh throughout the whole video because
Just
everything
don't
will
have
fall off.
to. You just can't smile.
True.
Have you ever tried laughing without smiling?
Oh no.
We got leave him like this. It's cute.
Oh yeah, a nice look.
We'll leave that on for 10 minutes now.
Yeah.
What's supposed to happen within the next 10 minutes? What are your expectations?
My skin just feels a lot more hydrated.
I have quite the troubled skin today. Usually my skin is quite good, I'd say. But yesterday I ate a lot of
Chocolate!
and cheese.
Me too.
Yes, we went all out. Since I'm lactose intolerant, that's basically the only thing that causes my skin to break out once in a while.
Okay, the 10 minutes are over now and they're already starting to fall off because my skin already absorbed all the product, so yeah, as you can see. I'm gonna take mine off now.
First time I had a sheet mask on, I really hated it. But now I've learned to love it.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, looks nice.
Yeah, it looks really dewy, right?
Very fresh.
I like to tap in the rest of the product afterwards.
I'll take mine off as well.
My skin is pretty bad lately.
Feel very fresh and moisturized. Looks much better now, right?
Yeah, a lot more shiny, as promised.
Do this a few times a week and you get the glass skin going.
Don't eat too much chocolate.
Don't eat stuff if you're lactose intolerant. That's why my skin gets so much better when I'm in Korea, you know?
Yeah, mine as well.
So in Korea everything's lactose free and my skin just...
How many points would you give these masks?
I give them...
10 out of 10?
I don't know, 10's like very high, I don't know. Give them a solid 8.8.
8.8.
Yeah, but just because I don't want to give something the highest grade yet. -1 point because it feels like a waste of sheet.
Of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can use it like...
Yeah, I can cut it up and
your
put it on the...
neck.
No, maybe on the other spaces left.
I'm giving them a 9.5.
9.5?
Yes.
Really?
Because...
So compared to the Solhasu treatment that you got in Korea.
You can't just compare a face mask to a whole treatment.
I haven't had many face masks yet, so I feel like I'm not entitled to rate a lot, but it felt really good.
Yeah, it feels really good. I love that you can just choose the areas you need it in and that you have the little patches and not a whole sheet. I really like that.
Yeah, sure.
It's a nice concept. Some cute extras.
Good stuff. Get some
amazing.
nice Instagram pics out of it, so definitely worth it, I'd say.
Oh yeah. Let's move on.
Yeah.
How shiny. Yeah, you can't get over your shininess, right?
Good. Fabulous.
Oh, you are. Let's move on to the BTS X Midi Heel packages.
So there's even more.
Let's choose one of them. So we have 4 packs. Which one is best for you and for me? In each package are 2 different types of masks. So every package contains the Midi Heel Tea Tree Care Solution Essential Mask. That's for oily and combination skin. And also another mask. This one contains the Midi Heel DNA Protein Mask, and this is...
Protein?
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but this is the Aqua Ring Ampoule Mask. I will go for this. It sounds actually really moisturizing.
What's this? This was inside.
Woo!
It looks cool. It's got BTS written on it. Must be
It must
nice.
be cool.
Yeah.
I got one as well.
Oh, are those photo cards?
What?
Oh,
What?
my boy Namjoon. I can see him from here.
Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh, I got different ones. Oh my god, oh my god. Look at these. Oh, it's too bright. The boys are shining.
Are those different ones? Or they're
Yeah.
the same? That's different ones. There's so many of them.
So many, for real. Oh my god, look at this. Aesthetics. How many ones? Why are there so many? It doesn't stop. What? 14 photo cards. What?
So there's 10 masks each.
5 of these
Okay.
tea tree oil masks.
Yeah, and 5 of the special ones from each package. A lot of stuff going on here. This one is the Midi Heel PDFAC Dressing Ampoule Mask.
Yeah, and I got
X.
the NMF Aqua Ring Ampoule Mask. Directions are in English here, that's good. Oh, so you can see which member picks which mask. It's interesting. All right, let's see. My mask is the Aqua Ring mask. Oh, it's everyone's favorite. Ampoule.
That looks funny.
AC Dressing Ampoule?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, that's Jimin's and Jin's fave. They say this mask soothes and refreshes sensitive skins stressed out from our busy lifestyle.
I'm busy, stressed out.
My mask, they say, our favorite face mask. We have a stockpile saved up at home. Oh, so we can use them anytime. All right, let's do this. Ooh, it already feels really good in my hand. For big faces.
I think this might be the first mask that fits me.
True. Yeah, it's really big. Nice. But here, gotta press.
With the rest on the neck.
Whoa.
Not
It feels
moist.
really, really, really moisturizing. It's a really thick serum.
Very rich.
I can already understand why it's their favorite product.
Oh, there's so much in here.
You actually look like you have the most perfect glass skin. I mean, you can't really move your face. Well, you can, but you shouldn't. But it feels really good, right?
Yeah. So for how long do we leave this on?
We leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes.
10 to 20 minutes. That's good. I'll leave it on forever.
I feel like reborn.
I know how people get their glass skin.
Yeah. How do you rate it? Is it better than the others?
I think maybe it's because I used both of them, but I think I like these one even more.
Yeah, they feel a little more moisturizing, right?
Much richer.
Richer.
You know? I think like you could use the BT21, the patches like more regularly, and these should be enough to do it like a few times. Once a week maybe, 2 times a week.
So the BT21 stuff, you can use it when you have like just 5 minutes.
Yeah,
and
or you have like troubled areas like
Yeah.
for the eye bags or stuff like this.
We definitely recommend these amazing products. Not only because it's BTS, but because it's really high quality, I think. So if you want to try it out, I put the links down in the description box. You can buy them on YesStyle, they're shipping worldwide. So I hope you guys liked the video. As always, leave a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. We see you in the next one. Bye!